People often get confused or mixed with the meanings of dawn and dusk. So, let's understand the difference. Dawn is the time of the early morning, typically before sunrise, when light first appears in the sky. In Hindi, we call it bhor. Dusk is the time of the late evening, typically after sunset, when the sun has already gone down and it is nearly dark. In Hindi, we call it Sanj. Examples: the dawn broke over the horizon, signaling a new day. The family gathered at dusk to watch the stars come out. Now, how's the light during these times? During dawn, there is gradual increase in daylight, transitioning from darkness to light. And during dusk, there is gradual decrease in daylight, transitioning from light to darkness.